I've built an independent performance model covering most of the U.S. utility scale wind fleet. I sell project level forensic reports. If you'd like an example of my work, I will send you a zip file with a sample right away. Today's topic is Continental Wind. Continental Wind is a portfolio of wind projects, a total of 13 wind projects that are scattered clear across the country. Fitch Ratings downgraded Continental Wind. The downgrade happened on May 6th. They went from a BBB to a BBB minus rating. The portfolio altogether is a $613 million portfolio with $241 million outstanding. They gave a few reasons for the downgrade in their press release. They indicated that there's operational underperformance with this portfolio. O&M agreements with availability guarantees continue to be in place. I will note that availability guarantees typically get a little bit weaker after the 10-year mark, and we end up in a place where there are carve-outs and the like. The last 3 years, from 23 to 25, are characterized by resource weakness, curtailment, and operational issues. Why do I bring up Continental Wind? Because this is a very good test case for JL Renewables. I validated Fitch's concerns about the portfolio. These particular projects, along with Happy Jack and Wild Horse for personal reasons, are the only projects I'm actually going to do public deep dives on. My long-term plan is to continue to develop my methodologies and my models, and I needed a reference portfolio so I can share the results of my improved models. I can see if I can find any more interesting things that might be happening. So when I offer an example of my work, what I'm offering is an example from the Continental Wind portfolio plus Happy Jack and Wild Horse. Thanks for watching. If you want to look at the performance data for a specific asset in your portfolio, or have questions about the fleet-wide model, my DMs are open. Feel free to leave a question in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next analysis.